Welcome. If you want to create a new deck in your Legends of Runeterra, at the first you have to move to the collection. Then when we are in the decks, we have to click the new deck. And we have to remember a few things, that we can drag here only 6 champs. And we can only get here 40 cards. And we can get cards from the 2 regions only. So I will start by choosing champs. So when you click here, you got some kind of the filter, right? Let's go of the champs, and I will go with Freljord champs. I will get here Ashi, Braum, and I think that I'm going to use Demacia, so I will drag here Garen, and okay, it's here I get here already 6 champs, and then we have to click right here to unselect champs, and let's check other cards, right? We can pick the regions. We pick Freljord and Demacia, so select here card only from these 2 regions, and then we can simply drag card that we are interested in. So as you can see, all we have to do is just to simply swipe with our finger until we hit here 40 cards. And you have to remember that you have always put 40 cards. You cannot have less or more. We are almost finished, 2 cards left. And as you can see here, we got 6 champs, 40 cards from 2 regions, and then we can name our region. So our deck, it will be Demacia, and Freljord. Click OK, then tap done. And as you can see here, we got our new deck of the cards in Legends of Runeterra. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!